Using the secondary fixing plate as a guide, mark a height line for the top of the lock faceplate at equal heights front and back. Insert the required spindle into the lock case, ensuring the correct position as highlighted in the instructions. Place the mounting plates either side of the lock case. Apply the front keypad to the mounting plate. Apply the back plate to the mounting plate. Secure with the M5 fixing bolts provided. Mount the lock case assembly to the inside face of the post, inserting the latch and deadlocking bolt through the holes. Adjust the latch and deadlocking bolt. When satisfied, install the faceplate. Secure with the two M6 bolts provided. If required, the latch adjustment plate can be removed to make final adjustments to the latch and deadlocking bolt. These can be rotated out and in to suit the gap between the gate and the side post. When satisfied, the adjustment plate is secured, locking the latch and deadlocking bolt in position.